Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2020 of SA stream. This is question number 1 from the topic functions. This question says, let bracket x be greatest integer less than or equal to x, that is gint x, for a real number x. Then the equation gint x square equal to x plus 1 has A, 2 solutions, B, 1 solution, C, no solutions, D, more than 2 solutions. Okay, now to solve this question, we can think of that my left hand side is, which is gint of x square, so this has to be integer. Now if this is integer, hence my right hand side should also be integer. Now because the right hand side is x plus 1 and 1 is integer, so I can say x has to be integer. And if x is integer, then we can say x square should also be integer. Now from the property of greatest integer part, we can write greatest integer x square should be equal to x square. Because for any integer, its integral part is that number itself. Now, this given equation reduces to x square equal to x plus 1, which is one simple quadratic x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we can find its root by quadratic formula, which comes out to be 1 plus or minus root over 5 upon 2, which we can see is not an integer, not an integer. Okay. But if you remember, we got this equation on that condition that x should be an integer, because then only this equation can hold. So after assumption of x to be integer, okay, and if we are not getting that to be an integer, that means it will not have any solution. So answer for this question should be no solution. Let us see what answer they have given. Yes. So this completes the solution of this question. I hope you like the solution. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more solutions. Bye.